Hello, Adam.
Hello again, Navdi.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdi. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey, Adam. Quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdi is that...
Faster route found, automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. I'm gonna switch to Navdi Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdi is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, I gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdi uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdi. See you soon.
Keeping your eyes on the road. We all think we do that whenever we drive. But how often do you check your speed, talk on the phone, or look at the navigation screen? A new portable head-up display, HUD Drive, helps you stay connected and informed while keeping your focus on the road ahead. The head-up display projects a full-color image onto a transparent lens, adjusted to fit your line of sight. The image looks like it's floating above the hood. It gets data directly from your car using OBD port, and it's also wirelessly connected to your phone, which lets you stay connected while driving with both hands on the wheel. HUD Drive lets you keep tabs on some of the most important elements of driving. A digital speedometer helps you keep an eye on your speed and limits without looking down. Turn-by-turn navigation is guiding you using an intuitive live 3D map, giving hints on your next maneuver, along with your estimated arrival time based on current conditions, including traffic. Having front-facing camera, it will recognize and alert you when you're tired, falling asleep, or being distracted. Remote control with physical buttons, which are always at your fingertips, provides great user experience with no distractions. Receiving messages and phone calls has never been safer while driving. Listen to your incoming messages and see photos and names of your contacts. As you receive phone calls, swipe to accept and talk hands-free. The display can be adjusted for brightness and dim automatically, so it's easy to use day or night. HUD Drive is a head-up display for any car that connects your car and your smartphone to keep you focused on what really matters when you're driving, on the road ahead.
We love to dream. And we wished our dreams were real. Reality is different. You always wish to take that important call while driving without disturbing your conversation with your sweetheart. Your music is your world. Enjoy your favorite tracks from your playlist, Spotify, Pandora, and also from online radio. We want you to stay safe on road Imagine your messages are read to you without disturbing you. Enjoy the hands-free environment and call your loved ones without even using your phone. VoIP calling facility is inbuilt into Exploride. Make most of it using the exclusive Exploride mobile application. Building relationships without any boundaries. Never get lost on road. Take the right road to reach on time, every time. Now your driving experience is not just complete without knowing about your ride. The onboard diagnostic gives you crisp and sharp information about your speed, tire pressure, fuel, and other important statistics. A feature rolling list of various apps available. Make use of a plethora of apps just crafted for your journeys. When you hit those long drives, Exploride reads what's around. Our superior augmented reality powered application gives you the perfect vision everywhere you go. All this is accessible on your mobile while you're inside or outside your car. Because your car is connected to the cloud always. Exploride. Drive safe. Drive connected.
Everybody's heard it. Driving while looking down at your phone is not safe. So what if we put our phone on our windshield? That's not any better. If you can't see me, then I obviously can't see you. We're here to provide a safer way to access the calls, texts, and navigation you need without taking your eyes off the road.
Since 2015, we at HUD have been developing products to help people drive safer. After launching our first head-up display, we took customer feedback from the auto enthusiast to the everyday driver to help develop our second generation product, the HUD Wireless. Our new head-up display is now wireless and boasts a larger, sharper display. Just like before, you can customize your driving experience by casting any app directly in your line of sight, and it works in virtually any car.
HUD Wireless decreases the likelihood of an accident by letting you see both the road and vital driving information at the same time. Why not just mount your phone to the windshield? Not only does this block your view, but it also forces your eyes to refocus every time you look away from the road and down at your phone for directions. HUD casts your directions into the distance, eliminating this need to refocus and increasing your awareness of what's happening on the road. HUD also adapts to your environment, automatically adjusting brightness based on the lighting conditions outside. Best part? Setup is easy and there is no technical knowledge required.
What really sets HUD apart from the competition is our 6.2-inch high-resolution display that uses a flat panel to achieve a 1-to-1 reflection, unlike the curved displays on the market. While curved displays magnify images, they also degrade image quality. Our product has been engineered to have the widest viewing angle, allowing both driver and passenger to be able to see the information casted. We've made no compromises to color, clarity, or image quality and believe that we have the best head-up display around.
What's really exciting about HUD is that it is a seamless experience, just like everything else in my household. So from Apple Play to Sonos to my Nest, HUD fits right in.
I really appreciate just the quality in terms of clarity, especially with mounts like this. Like, you want something to be dead simple, super clear, and giant text.
HUD makes the driving experience really safe. It's one of those things, you know, if you're paying attention to the road, I think it's pretty easy to be a safe driver, but nowadays with like technology and stuff, I'm constantly looking at my phone, and I think that's caused more issues for me than anything else. So having what I need kind of right in front of me without really obstructing my view or causing me to look away from the road has made a big difference.
While there are many great apps for HUD, we weren't completely satisfied, so we designed our own app. We designed it to take full advantage of HUD's hardware advancements. Your phone now acts as a secondary control panel with quick access to programs optimized for a head-up display.
HUD Wireless is more than just a head-up display. It's a completely new experience designed around smarter driving. We have a new immersive app, and hardware created in partnership with a leading head-up display manufacturer with over 8 years of experience.